Twisted the end in the middle. It's about 6 inches.
You started about here and twisted it up to there. Now I'm going to
with the sticky wax.
I'm just going to start twisting it in here.
Then you turned it around.
Turned it around and twisted it back down. See, it's going back down over this that you've already twisted on there.
Okay.
See? All right, so that's what holds it all in there. You just keep twisting it on there and twisting it on there. That's why they use these really fine tapered bristle or strings.
Mm-hmm. Well, it has a little fibers in it.
Yeah. So now we're getting it right about here.
So you've rolled about what, two inches of that?
About 1.5 inches, maybe.
1.5 inches is on this.
And it just totally depends on how much you want to do. But see, you don't want to get it down here where it's real fat, you know.
Okay.
But,
so you need the taper for sure to do this.
Yeah.
But this is essentially exactly the same as the boar bristle method.
Yeah.
And and then you pierce your holes.
You just pierce one hole.
One hole on this one.
One hole on this. And then this.
It looks like a 1/2 inch down and then.
About.
Okay. Wow.
And there's your bristle. And boy, when that's so easy to. I don't know why I don't do it this way and why I'm messing with wire needles these days. And of course you can make this as long or as short as you want it.
That's okay, so it's about 6 inches your fishing line, but I think it is 40 pounds. I'm guessing
it's 30
because
or
mine
40.
was,
I don't know, whatever.
it seemed a little thicker, and it's
It's
about
about 7 inches, but you can use 6-7 inches.
okay, cool.
And then see and that goes through so easily. And this, when you poke your awl, you don't have to use a really big awl with these, not like you do the wire needles, because you got no knots coming through.
Right. Yeah, I had a couple of knots on mine doing it this way.
See, this is what we used to use to make the thread.